you guys, welcome to mycurioscrafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're participating in an open collaboration hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner, and it's titled Christmas Winter Lantern Collab 2019. Let's get started. Here are the supplies that I use for this lantern swag. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to cut this garland into manageable lengths so that it's easy for you to wrap around this small little ring here, and that you don't have so much excess that it takes up a lot of time. We're going to cut the chenille stem into thirds so that we don't waste anything, because you're not going to need that much in the end. We cover it all up anyways. Okay, so we're going to string our ornaments onto the chenille stem, and here's a quick tip. If you would hot glue the stringing, the part at the top of the ornament, then it'll stay in place and you don't have to worry about it coming loose and ruining your design. Okay, you guys, so I add Gorilla Glue to all of my projects because I like for everything to be permanent, and you also ensure that your things don't come loose and you can use them year after year. Another thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that I always add a base to my standalone lanterns, meaning that if I'm not going to group lanterns together and if I'm not using it in a vignette or something like that, then I'll add this base and dress it up, because that will alleviate the need for me to add additional decor, which can also add additional expense to my budget. You want to make sure that you get your placement correct before you ever secure anything. We're going to add a few frosted tips because I'm going for the frosted flocking look and my decor that I'm going to be using this piece in. So I'm going to add a few frosted tips to tie that in and to cover up the mechanics of my design. I like bows and I cannot lie, so let's get a bow for our lantern. It's going to really tie in the colors. Let's get started. So I needed about a 6-inch loop, so I measure out 6 inches, I pinch, I measure out another 8 inches because I wanted a 4-inch loop. I pinch, I bring that together, I'm going to twist. I need another loop at the same length, which is 8 inches. Pinch, bring it together. Twist, cut my tails, and this one is done. Okay, let's do that again. We're going to measure out about 8 inches. We're going to pinch. Then we're going to have about 5-inch loops. So I'm going to measure to 10. I'm going to pinch. I'm going to bring that together. I'm going to measure out another 10 inches for a 5-inch loop. I'm going to pinch. I'm going to bring that together. I'm going to twist. I'm going to measure out my tail and I'm going to cut it off. And if you're interested in learning how to make bows, I make bows every Wednesday here on the channel. We use different various bow makers, and sometimes I do a hand tie bow, and we also add projects sometimes. So I'll complete a whole project in the video with you guys. And we'll be doing it live very soon. So come and join us. Okay, you guys, we want to thank Kenya for hosting such a wonderful collaboration for us to showcase our various lanterns. I hope you will go and visit all of the ladies participating in the collab. I'm sure they have some awesome goodies to show you. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and come back and visit me. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.